Friends, in this video, I am going to tell you how you can create AI images from your image. That is, you can create images of your face using your own image. So without any delay, let's get started. Friends, for this, first of all, you have to search Artflow AAI on your browser. Then we have to click on this first website. Here you will get 100 credits per month. Friends, let me tell you that you can create 4 images on 1 credit. That means 400 images per month, and I think this is enough for us. Now, by clicking on sign up here, we sign up so that we can use this tool. After signing up, we have to click on Character Builder here. And here we will train our AI model using our images. And remember, friends, you can train your images only once, because first-time training is free. Next time when you do it, it will ask to upgrade. So I click on this plus icon, and you can select male or female according to your gender. I select male and actor age adult. And here you have to write your name. My name is Alok. And friends, you have to upload your 20 images by clicking on this plus icon. And keep in mind that your images should be clear and the pictures should be clearly visible. And some guidelines have also been given here. You can read them. So I upload my 20 images. And when your images are uploaded, then you have to click on Start Training. And after that, you have to wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, your own actor is created in your face. We'll go. So let's create our AI images from this. For this, we have to click on Create Image here. Here, friends, it has already created some images for us, which you can see. Now let's write our first prompt. Friends, by clicking here, you can switch from version 2 to version 1. And let me tell you that version 1 is absolutely free. And in version 2, you will use 1 credit and 4 images will be generated. But we will keep it on version 2 only for better image quality. Here in General and Portrait, we will keep General, and from here you can select the ratio, 1 ratio, 1, 3 ratio, 2 and 2 ratio 3. For land scale mode, we keep it 3 ratio 2. Friends, this is director mode. By using this, you can place your image wherever you want. For example, if you want our image to be in the center, then it will remain in the center. If you want our image to be on the side, it will be on the side. How to do? For this, you will have to click here, then you can adjust it from here. You're watching as I do. I make it exactly in the middle, and by clicking here, we will keep its face exactly in the center like this. Now finally, let us write our first prompt. Before writing the prompt, let me tell you that whatever name you have given for your actor, for example, I have kept it as Alok. If you want to include it in your image, then it's you will have to be written. Like, I am writing at the rate Alok as Iron Man in his office, working on Ireland's suit with an artificial intelligence, bot, cinematic, hyper-realistic. Then we click on Generate. After clicking on Generate, your images will be created within a few minutes. Please comment and tell us how you like these images. And you can also create your images in different styles by writing different clones. And friends, they do not give any option to download it, but like you can download any image on Google. Well, you can do this too. Simply if you're doing it on mobile, then you have to tap and hold and then click on Download Image. And if you're doing it on desktop, then you can download it by clicking on Save as Image. But you must be thinking that then its quality will not be so good. But perhaps you do not know about AI Image Upscaler, because if the image quality has reduced a bit, then you can scale it using AI Image Upscaler. You can increase its quality. And if you found this video informative, then like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.